Hey guys, it's me, Shashai, and I have a link down below somewhere around here. Like, it's probably down here somewhere, up there, right here, right there I'm playing. But there's a link below, and it shows you all my videos. So yeah. But have you ever had slime, right? Like you had a big large of slime and you just smash it, but you had slime, right? Well, what I do to get all the bubbles out is I get, hold on, I can pull this stuff out. I get a thingy. I get one of these. I don't know what those are. Those are things for my Barbies. Okay. So. I'm just gonna smush it. I hope you guys can see it. Sorry guys. But yeah, so then what I do is after I'm done like that, I flip it over and I just smush it and smush it. And then that takes all the bubbles out with it making any noise. Like this. You see all the bubbles are already coming out from it, so it doesn't take long to take them out. In my next video, I will be shooting just videos lately. I haven't been shooting any videos lately because I've been busy. I've been really busy lately. So, oh, and I'm going to shoot react. Well, not me, but you know, I'll just record you guys on my way over to my Nana's. Tonight she's coming. So I will record you guys when she comes tonight. Okay? Okay. So they don't know yet. So this is the slime. Oh yeah, and if you guys comment down below and like this video, you guys get a free slime. And the slime's about, like, if I turn it this way, it's about this big. And I'm giving it away for free. I'm giving about maybe, well, it depends how many people like it. And just comment down below and say, oh, well, can I get a slime? And I'll see, yeah. So then I can send you, or you guys can come, or we're sending you a slime. But this is my slime. It's glittery. I put glitter with it, lots of glitter. So now I'm just mushing it up. So yeah, and that's my mom behind me. Mom, say hi. That's my mom. I dyed my hair red, by the way, guys, and plus my mom dyed her hair black. It was blue, like the darkest blue ever. So then, yeah. Alright, give this video a thumbs up if you guys can, and subscribe down below if you guys want a slime. So bye.
Dude, what? No, I didn't use that.